Good morning, class. Welcome to day 2 of your Still Life project. Please remember to complete all your classwork during your regularly scheduled class time if you can. If not, please submit all your artwork by 3 p.m. to avoid any temporary zeros for late or missing assignments. Your learning goal for today is to focus on drawing your objects to scale and proportion, meaning that each object is basically in proportion. Nothing's too big or too small, too thin or too wide for the object, and then also each object is the right size compared to the other object, which would be scale. So just make sure everything is the right size to sum that up. Your central question is, how do artists create work that is pleasing and demands viewers' attention? Yesterday we discussed that they can fill the entire space of the paper, they can add color, they can add value, they can have a variety of things going on. That's key for making an engaging artwork, is having a bunch of different things and not just more of the same. So those three things are essential to creating a engaging work that demands viewer attention. So just continue to think about that as you continue your progress in this assignment. And your vocabulary word for today is proportion. So your task list for today is to complete your entrance ticket at the beginning. So you're going to answer what is proportion and why are these proportional relationships important in a still life drawing. Why do we care to even focus on the proportions when drawing each object? So please use the day 1 PowerPoint from yesterday for guidance with both of these questions to help you get your easy 2 points. This is not meant to be hard, just use the resources available to you. Once you've submitted that for 2 points, just finish your sketch by ensuring all your objects are drawn to scale and they have accurate proportions. Yesterday you either practiced drawing your still life that you set up at home, or you used the still life image provided to you on Schoology for practice. But please make sure your sketch today is the still life that you arranged at home of your 5 or more objects. So if you started one image in class yesterday, please make sure your sketch is a new sketch today of your actual still life you're going to draw from. And then submit a photo of your completed sketch and your still life photo to today's student progress. This way I can see the photograph of your still life that you're drawing from, so I can compare your proportions and scale of your object from the picture to your drawing. So please submit both images, not just the one. And that's basically it for today. Today's an easy day. Just continue your sketch so I can provide feedback and so you can develop your understanding of the lesson expectations. All right, everyone, please let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help, and I look forward to seeing your original still lifes and your drawings. All right, bye, guys.